Good day, my dear student, teachers, and future professional. My name is Darwin Baal, taking of Bachelor of Elementary Education. So, first of all, congratulations to all of you. You are now standing at the doorway of a significant milestone. Graduations from senior high school, it is a time of excitement and pride, and for many of you, uncertainty. So, the question echoes in your mind, what course should I take next? So, it's a big decision. I know one that will shape not just your career, but your purpose, your values, and the kind of impact you make on the world. Today, I'd like to speak to your heart and open your mind to a noble, fulfilling, and a life changing path. So, why teaching matters? Before I talk about what the course offers, so let's start with why. So, why teaching? Because everything begins with a teachers. Every doctors, engineers, artists, scientists, or even president started on hand of a teachers. Usually an elementary school, teachers who first taught them to read, count, and believe in themselves. Teachers do not just fill minds with knowledge, we build character, guide dreams, and shape lives. In the world of education, especially at the elementary level, we have the unique privilege to make on the first and often most lasting impression on young minds. It is a powerful responsibility and a beautiful one. So what is BEd? Now let me tell you what is BEd. BEd stands for Bachelor of Elementary Education. It is a 4 years program designed to prepare future teachers who will educate children at the elementary level. But it is more than just a degree, it is a permissions. And through BEd, you will learn the foundations of child psychology and development, master effective teachings, strategies across different subject, and train in the classroom management, the instructional planning. Gain real-world experience through practice teaching in a schools. BE doesn't just teach you how to teach. It molds your heart, your communication skills, your creativity, your patience, and your passions. So, who should take BE? So now you might be asking is BE right for me? Let me ask you this. Do you enjoy being around children? Do you like helping others learn and grow? Do you have patience to explain something again and again until it clicks? Do you want to make different people lives? If you answer yes to these questions, be it might be the perfect path for you. But even if you're still unsure, remember, skills can be developed, confidence can be trained. What truly matters is yours willingness to serve, to care, and to give back through education. So, career opportunity after BEd, one of the might about BEd is that only those who want to be a public school teachers. That is not true. With BE degree, you can work in various fields such as public, public and private elementary schools, especially education institution, tutorial centers, and learning hubs, educational publishings, campaigns, daycare, and early childhood development centers, government agencies related to educations, international schools, especially if you continue with further studies. To all of you here today, wherever your journey leads you, my wish is that you find a career that brings you joy and purpose. But those of you who feel even the slightest spark and after hearing this, explore it and don't ignore the calling. Bid is not a degree. It is a promise to care, promise to educate, and promise to serve. If you choose this path, know that you will never walk alone. You will be part of a noble community of educators who believe in the power of learning, the beauty of growth, in the future of every child. So today I challenge you, be brave enough to care, be bold enough to serve, be wise enough to know the greatness isn't always about medals or money. It's about impact. So choose a path that not only builds your future but also builds others. So choose BN. Choose to teach, to lead, to love, and to serve. In in a world that often praises those who teach well, be the one who creates work. In a society that seek power uh, be the one who empowers. In a time that values fame, uh, be be the one who values faith, growth, and transformation. Because when you teach even one child, you touch eternity. So, to all graduating students here today, remember this: you are capable of greeting things. Whatever path you choose, pursue it with heart. But if there even small voice inside that say, uh, "I want to make a difference," then listens to it. That maybe voice of a teacher within you. Let it grow. Take the step and enroll in BEd, becoming a teachers, and build the future. And one child, one lesson, one dream at a time. So thank you, and may your journey ahead be filled with purpose, passion, and endless responsibility.